friends, welcome back to Easy Nails, where I teach you how to make fun and affordable nails all from the comfort of your home. Today I'm doing an icicle nail glacier nail tutorial. This is a collab with Cecis Nail World, so check her out. She's also doing icicle nails and glacier nails. So to do our icicle and glacier nails, you guys, I have some long stiletto tips on my nails here. My nails are prepped. I have a layer of base coat because we are using polygel. And I basically put a pink polygel on the middle finger. And then for the icicle part, you guys are going to want to use a clear polygel, and you're going to want to put that on the area that you want your icicle glaciers to be shown. So I'm doing the same thing here on my pinky. And let me guys know, have you guys ever done icicle nails or glacier nails before? I was surprised at how easy it was. Super easy for beginners. This tutorial is for beginners, and I was surprised how easy it was to do. I thought it would be much more difficult, but it really isn't. You just want to make sure that you have enough clear polygel on your nail, because you're going to go in with some cling wrap or saran wrap, and you're going to press that into the polygel, and then you're going to cure it, and that's what's going to give you that icicle look. So today we are going to be doing icicle nails with polygel and with builder gel. We're going to encapsulate with builder gel, and then also we are going to use marble ink to get golden icicle nails. So you guys stay tuned for that. Super exciting. Later on we're going to get golden icicle nails. So here I'm cutting out little pieces of saran wrap or cling wrap. I am matching them up in my fingers, and then I'm placing them on the uncured polygel. Super important, uncured. I'm going in with the back of my cuticle pusher, and I'm randomly, lightly, not too hard, but creating indents all over that nail. You just want to create little tiny indents all over, and this is perfect for beginners because it does not matter how you do this, right? Everybody's is going to be different, and that's what's great about icicle nail art. Everybody's is different. So you cure these in your lamp, and then you peel off the cling wrap, and voila, you guys can see those icicle nails are starting to show up on our nails. So you guys, yeah, it's that easy. All you got to do from here is encapsulate it in builder gel or whatever you choose to use. I use builder gel here, but that is basically how you get icicle nails. And now we're going to go to the fun part. Okay, you guys, we're going to get golden icicle nails with marble ink. This is gold marble ink, and I basically go over those icicle nails, and they look so cool, like golden icicle glaciers. I absolutely love this effect. These nails look super fancy, and I'm all for it. Absolutely gorgeous golden icicle nails, and you guys can mess around with this. Use any marble ink you like. On the other fingers, you guys are going to see that I use glitter to make glitter icicle nails because we love glitter over here. And that one did not show up as much as I thought, so you guys stay tuned to see that. But definitely the golden icicle nails with any kind of marble ink you want shows up fabulously. So I highly recommend, if you want to do a fancy golden icicle nail with marble ink, to use this technique. It works fabulously. Here I am using some polygel. I believe this is glitter polygel from Rossi. I will leave you guys the exact number below, but this is a glitter polygel. We have tons of iridescent glitters in here, and I'm gonna try to do icicle nails with glitter. So we are gonna see how this is gonna work out. Again, you guys just wanna make sure that you have enough polygel on your nail to get that cling wrap over it and press indentations into the nail. Again, this is super beginner friendly. Anybody can do this at home. It's super easy and absolutely gorgeous at the end. So I'm putting on this polygel, and then of course I'm gonna pile on tons of glitter onto that nail. Again, you guys can see how much polygel I'm using. I basically just apply a line from about a little bit above the bottom of the nail all the way to the top, and then I'm pressing that polygel in. Again, I have a base layer underneath. I'm using IBD base, and I cured that. My nails were prepped underneath, and I'm using rubbing alcohol and this brush. Any brush will do, you guys. You can even use an acrylic brush, any brush you have, to press that polygel into place. And I have a little dampen dish with alcohol to smooth out the polygel. So now I'm going in with some pink mylar, some blue mylar, absolutely gorgeous. Those glitter icicle nails are going to be fabulous. I'm just piling on those mylar, and then I'm going to go in with some gold hexes here, some gold hexie sequins. And I'm going to cure these, but before I do, right, the icicle nails, we are going to grab our cling wrap. We are going to cut individual little sizes. And here I'm showing you guys, you don't have a cuticle pusher, you can use your finger. Just make indents in those nails onto that uncured polygel. And pro tip, you guys, swipe the sides of your nails. Kind of push, go on the side walls of your nail and push, push, push up, and that will keep your shape. So, because you want to make sure you keep your shape when doing this. And obviously we're going to do marble ink icicle nails, getting that silver icicle right now. We are silver and gold icicle nails. So I'm putting that silver marble ink over the icicle nails, and then I am using rubbing alcohol and that brush to take away any areas that I want to, or to disperse the marble ink as I like. Now I'm using some builder gel to encapsulate the icicle nails. So we are doing polygel icicle nails with golden and silver marble ink, and we're encapsulating with builder gel. Super, super easy, you guys. Again, I was surprised how easy this was. These nails turned out absolutely gorgeous, and they were really, really easy to do. The hardest part for me was the filing. So you want to make sure that when you are encapsulating, you guys, really put a lot of builder gel over those icicle nails, because you want to make sure that you are encapsulating them well, so that when you file, it's much, much easier for you, okay? So I'm showing you guys in-depth filing today. I'm going along those side walls. I'm using a coarse sanding band. My e-file is about at a medium speed, and I'm going up and down the side walls, and I'm putting the majority of the pressure towards the tip as I get towards the tip, because we are filing stiletto nails. So you want to make sure that when you're filing those side walls, you're putting the pressure towards the top of the nail. And then here I'm showing you a different way to file the side walls. You can hold your e-file directly parallel towards that side wall, or up and down, okay? And you want to make sure that you keep on going. That is the key here, not to get dents on the side. Keep on going up and down. Do not stop in one area. That will cause dents in your side walls. And then to file the top of the nails, you want to go up and down the nails, applying even pressure throughout. This is going to smooth out the entirety of the nail. And again, you guys, I'm going back and forth between filing those side walls and filing up and down over the entirety of the nail. Filing is super important, you guys. It is going to make or break your nail look. It is going to make look like you didn't know how to do your nails, or you did a fabulous, incredible job doing your nails and people thought that you went to the highest end salon to get them done. So filing is what is going to make a difference. I hope this in-depth filing helps you guys. Filing is super hard to capture on camera, so please let me know if you guys want to see more filing. I usually do not include filing, but here I wanted to show you an in-depth tutorial on filing stiletto nails. So what I did there, you guys, is I took the e-file, I don't know if you guys just saw that clip, and I went on the back side underneath the nails to make sure that the side walls were even from side to side, because you don't want one side wall really long and one side wall really short. So I just went underneath the nails to make sure that they're even. And you guys can see the majority of my filing, right, is sharpening up those side walls, putting the majority of the pressure, light pressure, and then as you go towards the tip, increase that pressure to get that super crisp stiletto nail. And then I'm constantly filing up and down the entirety of the nail to make sure it is smooth and flawless. And you want to make sure that you are also filing very lightly, circular motions around that cuticle area. This is sealing in your nails, you guys. I'm so sorry I'm out of film here, but that is what I'm doing. I'm going around that cuticle area in light circular motions, okay? And not too close to the cuticle, just right next to it, and this seals in the cuticle to make sure that you will not have any lifting. So now, you guys, we're on to those golden marble ink icicle nails. We are getting some top coat on there, and I was running out of this top coat, so I tried to use the majority of it as I could. This is the aimeili no wipe top coat, and you guys can see those gorgeous golden glacier icicle nails coming through. Absolutely beautiful. There's so much dimension and depth when you use marble ink on those icicle nails. They're absolutely stunning. And on the glitter nail, it didn't show up as much as I wanted to. So I wouldn't suggest doing icicle glitter nails. I would stick to the icicle marble ink nails. You get much more depth and dimension. They're still gorgeous because we love glitter. But I would suggest using the marble ink icicle nails. Those came out absolutely stunning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to check out Ceci's Nail World, her icicle nail design. I cannot wait to see what she came up with. Make sure you go check her out and show her some love, and hit that subscribe button, you guys, and go subscribe to Ceci's Nail World. Of course, you guys, I'm adding my bling. I cannot have a nail look without some gorgeous bling. So we're blinging up these marble ink icicle glacier nails with some gorgeous crystals here. These are from Amazon. And I'm basically just making a design here on my nails. And then I'm gonna fill in the gaps there with some silver caviar beads. And you guys, I did not cure these nails that I put the bling on. As always, I went over or under the builder gel with the top coat with builder gel, and then I put those stones on. And you guys, you can see these gorgeous marble ink icicle nails, glacier nails. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.